Giants punter Steve Weatherford spent his day off doing good. He partnered up with Next Level Training and the Schauger Group to donate 1,000 fire detectors to Newark and Morristown townships after a family of 6 died in a house fire with no detectors. They presented the Morristown fire chief with 250 smoke detectors. Newark will receive theirs within the next few days. And Steve's son, Ace, even get to sit in the fire truck. How cool is that?
That is cool.
Yeah, Steve's always up to good, and it was a day off, and...
You guys are good buddies, right?
Yeah.
He's a nice guy.
Are too.
Yeah, he is a great guy.
He's a real good guy.
There he is.
There's Ace in the fire truck. How
Love
cool
that
is
name.
that?
Yeah.
I know.
Every
He's a good kid,
little
too.
kid
Nice
loves to sit in the fire truck.
Steve's quite a family guy. He's, what, 3 kids, right?
3 kids, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so his wife, Laura, she's tremendous as well. So.
Well, now you got 1 kid.
Yeah, I know.
All right, thank you.